Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to the Common Sense Crypto channel. As with you always, this is Rich doing a video on Bitcoin. Before I start the video, please click the like and subscribe button as it helps the channel grow immensely. So right now, Bitcoin is sitting under 30K still. We're at 29,248 today, and I want to explain to you what I think is happening with Bitcoin. I think Bitcoin's going into a super cycle. I think we're going to see $100,000 Bitcoin, if not more. I mean, everything is lining up perfect for this to happen. And I'm going to break that down. So, what is a super cycle? A super cycle is a phenomenon where the bullish increase in the price of a market security causing its price to increase further. Now, that's talking about the stock market. And if we're talking about a cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, this is the same exact thing. The bullish are going to push the price to go higher. And why is that going to happen? Because of this. A weaker dollar lifts Bitcoin to 30K as analysts eyes 60% Bitcoin dominance. Now, here's the thing. When the US dollar drops in value, it pushes the price of Bitcoin up and it pushes the Dow Jones up. Now, I believe the Dow Jones has one more all time high in it. And I think as it starts doing the run up, Bitcoin's going to go with it. And at the same time, the dollar is going to drop. And I could show you that right now on the DXY. So this is the 10-year. So if we go back to the bull run of 2017 going into 2018, the dollar fell all the way down to 90.15 cents. When that happened, the bull run happened. So the dollar dropped, Bitcoin ran up. I think what's going to happen is out here, we're going to see the dollar drop because of recession and inflation, and it's going to push Bitcoin to a new all-time high. It's also going to push the Dow Jones to a new all-time high. And a lot of people don't agree with that. But that's exactly what's going to happen because right here is the last bull run. This is 2017 going into 2018. That's the bull run right here. This is the all-time high set back then on Bitcoin. Now, if we look at it the same way today, it almost looks identical to what happened then. It's going to repeat itself. It's just a matter of when. And a lot of people believe that Bitcoin can't get to 100K until next summer, next fall. But I think it's going to get ushered in quicker by recession and inflation. And that's what I see playing out for Bitcoin in the long term. I mean, by long term, I mean within probably the next 6 months. And even here it says, a recession could tank the value of the US dollar. Goldman Sachs said this. So a recession happens, the dollar drops, Bitcoin rises, the Dow Jones rises, Bitcoin hits 100K in a super cycle. And that's what I see playing out right now. So what impact does inflation have on the dollar value today? It's the same thing. If inflation rises, the dollar is going to drop in value. It's just that's how it works. So everything right now is setting up perfectly for $100,000 Bitcoin. And even here on Twitter, possible by the end of 2022, I'd say 100K in play for Bitcoin. 30K seems way underpriced to me. And that's from Adam Beck on Twitter. And I agree with that 100% because this looks it looks too big to fail. There's too many things in line right now for this whole idea process to fail. And can you get rich by investing in crypto alone? How many people got rich by investing in Bitcoin? How many people got rich by investing in other coins? A lot of people got rich by investing in just crypto. And these are the headlines that start coming out as the more and more of these you see, you could bet that we're already on our way to going to the upside. So with that said, I'm going to wrap this short video up on Bitcoin, but I believe we're going into a super cycle, 100K Bitcoin, probably end of 2022, early 2023. Thank you everyone for watching. Have a great evening.